Top 5 places to see in Colombia. What's up, everyone? I have traveled Colombia for 3 months and went to many amazing places. So this list is very difficult to make, but here we have top 5 places I visited in Colombia. Number 5, we have Villa de Leyva, small town outside of Bogota. And I stayed in such an amazing hostel called Hostel Su. Very economically priced, and they got activities to easily meet people and make new friends, which is one reason I enjoyed it so much. In Villa de Leyva, you could play Tejo, a Colombian game with gunpowder. $5 gets you unlimited beer and Tejo for a couple hours. It is epic. The town is one of the safest I have ever been in, and there's cool things to see, like they have Casa Terracota, museums, lakes, and also very known for mushrooms. Number 4 is Medellin. This is the only city to make the list, as usually cities are just that, cities. This place has a lot of hype though. People always say, go to Medellin. It's a very well-built city. It's the only one with a metro. The people there are called paisas, and it has a great nightlife. Pablo Escobar is from there, but don't talk about him. There are plenty of tours to go on to go over the history about him. Also check out Comuna 13, which used to be one of the most dangerous neighborhoods in the world. And it's still dangerous, but now it's a lot better. Number 3, Los Nevados, over by Salento. So this one here has got a lot of mixed feelings. If you ask me during my 3-day trek, is this gonna be my top Colombia things? I'd probably just flip you off. I have to say this trek was amazing, to say the least. The enemy for us was the rain. So you trek around 40 kilometers with a 2,000 meter gain overall. The amount of ecosystems you see is crazy. You go inside of a volcano, you sleep in shacks, you jump rivers, you see crazy plants. There are over 1,200 types, and you start and end with the tallest palm trees in the world. Number 2, the runner-up for first place is Minca, over in North Colombia. The place is super chill. It's a great place just to get away. It is hot and there are mosquitoes, but where you want to be, there's no phone reception, so you can disconnect yourself from the world. There are some cool treks, but what really made me enjoy my stay was just one day we set off to check out Los Pinos, and we were hungry. We saw some people eating and we asked if they were open, but it was just a hostel. But this hostel was a retreat center called Aloha. They were very friendly. They invited us with the biggest portion of food imaginable for just $2. They showed us around. So apparently they offer ayahuasca, combo, yoga, and just all these kinds of retreats. We stayed there all day and we actually slept there. And when we woke up, we had the most spectacular view imaginable. It was so amazing. And then also Minca has one of the biggest hammocks in the world. And they also have some cool waterfalls. But one of the lakes actually is just way too busy for my taste. And then if you're hungry, the Lazy Cat restaurant has the best burgers I have ever tried in my life. And that's not an understatement. Try the jalapeno one. And also, I wish I did go on the tour with Jungle Joe, but that's for next time. So number 1, my favorite thing I did in Colombia is Buenaventura. This place was just amazing. The people I went with was obviously a big part of that, and I wish I spent more time there because there are plenty of activities to take part in. So from Cali, you go to Buenaventura, and then you go to Maguapi, and then you get a boat to the beach San Pedro to stay in Toucan Hostel. There is no electricity there at all, so must bring your own food and water for everything. Besides the buildup of trash on the beach, it's absolutely beautiful and just an escape. You gotta go to this water hole, so you go through a short jungle trek and it's spectacular. So that's my list for my favorite things I did in Colombia. So honorable mentions would have to be Sand Hill and a double bungee, Cartagena, Punta Gallinas. I did miss a few spots due to when you travel for so long, you lose interest in doing everything. I will go over the main spots I didn't go in another video.